What's good, it's your boy T. Now welcome back to another video. Look at that Porsche right there, the Spider-Man joint. The joint go hard. That bit clean. Yowks. That bit's hella clean, man. The Porsche, there's a lot of whips out here though. You got trucks, little Tessie Wessie. What else over here? The G-Wagon. The G-Wagon looking clean too. Dang. Little box, it do remind me like a little milk truck, but still look good. But you already know we're in the Bronco. Let's get them windows down today. Let's get the top back today. Looking and sounding phenomenal. Click, clack. Everybody been running into this issue. I gotta put something on there. All my soft top video people that I'm subscribed to, same issue. Look at this, it's ridiculous, guys. Chips, everything. I'm gonna get it together. But I got some new mats coming in, so I'm gonna compare and contrast the mats. But I'm not even gonna spoiler alert that one. But let's get right on the road. We buckled up. Boom, starter up. A lot of y'all was making fun of it. I was listening to my Barney was on deck. Barney, stay on deck, man. A lot of y'all don't realize if you listen to positive music while driving, all of that road rage and crazy stuff goes out of the window. Today we're just gonna be cruising A1A. We're just gonna be cruising A1A. Nice little ride, beautiful scenery, beautiful homes. These joints right here, right on the beach, for real. Hopefully the wind's not too much. I'm gonna try my best to project my voice, but you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see how I'm looking around, man. We outside. We outside with it. We outside with it. Boom. Cruising around. If anybody know what eco mean? Like, you got normal and you can go to sport, of course, but what is eco? Am I really like saving gas and life minutes on eco? This is gonna be a nice cruise today too. Only 35 miles per hour. A lot of police out on this road. But I be telling on the police, anytime I see the police, I put an address in or something and I be like, report speed check. I gotta report it, man. I got to report it. Especially if they hiding. You doing too much. Why are you hiding, fam? If you in the open and you get somebody cool, but you over here trying to be incognito, hiding, I don't like that. Like you 007. But I'm doing all this talking. We missing some of these big body homes. Try to get this out of the way. Look at them things, man. These homes right here, they're gonna run you about $10 million minimum. Build, look at that. Dang. Easy 10 mil. Wait till we get down into like the shaded area. It's gonna be real nice. Anytime you got a gate like that, 10 mil. Probably more. I'm gonna try to find some of the listings and throw a couple of them joints on. But these people living large, man. Living large. I'm just hoping my AC don't go out at the house. I had get some Freon for my AC. That joint was $500. I said, when did Freon start becoming $500? He's like, yeah, you really gonna need a whole new unit. I'm like, oh, how much is the new unit? $7,500. I said, wowzers. Just clean those coils. I'm not trying to pay no $7,500 right now, please. Just clean the coils. Let me get this air on me. I don't want it too high because I don't want it blowing and sounding crazy, but that feels phenomenal already. Come on, guys, we got the green light. What are we doing? What are we doing? Gotta watch these cats. Sorry for the adjustment. Boom. Nice out here, man. Look at the trees. Look at the palm trees, man. Look at it. Nice little breeze out here. Every day is a perfect day to drive the Bronco. Every single day. Alright. Beautiful home. Beautiful. Look at this. Jeez. And a lot of these spots too, they probably don't even live here year round. They got a pole down right there. There they go. There they go. They don't look like nobody. God damn, 3 of them? Oh, y'all mean business out here today. Y'all mean business out here today. They got the water, little intercoastal vibes. People got their boats. They mean business out here today, man. They said we outside with it. Let me see. Look at that. Look at them yachts. Look at them yachts. Look at them yachts. Let's slide through just to get a closer view. Look at them yachts. Scoop me up. Put the Bronco on there. Put the Bronco on there. Yes. Jet skiing it. Dang. Love to see it. Love to see it, man. Y'all back here parked illegal. They got to tow y'all up. They don't play about that around here. Alright, let's hit this stop sign. Boom. Out here living, man. I love South Florida, man. I love it. I'm originally from Maryland, which a lot of y'all know. I go home like 2 or 3 times. I miss my family galore, big time. I miss seafood, miss crab cakes. I miss the Maryland crabs. Comment your favorite, if you eat seafood, comment like your favorite seafood dish in the comment section. Mine would have to be crabs, crab cake, and then I would slide with either mussels or some oysters. You know what I'm saying? Honorable mention to clams. Let me know what y'all loving up in the comment section below. My seafood love. Look, she jamming, got a little dog out. Oh, don't fall though, baby. Don't fall though, baby. Fall and scratch your elbow, you're gonna have a boo-boo. Okay, more I see, yeah. Bike life. Bike life. Cruising out here, man. Real deal cruising out here. Must be nice just living right there. Let your Uber come and pick. Oh no, she crossing the street. Damn! And they had the Bentley in there. I should have drove through there. I should have drove through that thing. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. Even the rental property, ooh. I'm letting y'all know. Y'all have some company and they come over and that's your spot. Look at the entrances. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Nice out here, man. Beautiful properties, beautiful area. I came out here one time to a party. It was me, I ain't gonna name y'all. I shouldn't even name y'all. It was like me and 2, 3 other athletes. They had a party there. It was like 20, 25 girls, man. All the girls like, where are you guys? Where are all your other friends at? I was like, hey, It's just us, okay? Slim pickings, all right? So you better figure it out. And we was having a time, man. With the beach, we could walk on the beach. It was the big mansion house. And then on top of that, and they called it the Boom Boom Room at the bottom. That's from the movie Life. They called it the Boom Boom Room. We had the pool table down there. Man, it was really, really, really nice. And the crazy part is, it's people living like that around the clock. Like it's just the norm. Normal warmer. I was like, dang, that's nice. Let me slow down. I don't want to ride up on these people. The speed limit out here only 30, 35. So I was going about 30. Now let me slow down. My bad. You know, get things rolling. Ooh, I know that's right. That thing's looking nice. That's one thing down here. You see a lot of Bentleys, a lot of Porsches, even a lot of Lamborghinis. Like up here or in Miami, it's just the norm. It's the norm, just for people to be riding around, living it up like that. It's the normal warmer. We about to go over the bridge. I'ma slide to my I got this spot I like where I get grilled cheeses. I'm gonna show y'all my grilled cheese spot, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Don't tell nobody about my grilled cheese spot, and I mean it. Don't go, oh my God, T went to this grilled cheese spot. We gotta go here. Hold it down, guys. Can you do that for me? Can you do that? Hold my grilled cheese spot down. We're gonna go windows up for right now. Help out with the audio a little bit. Crossing over the intercoastal. Crossing over that thing. I'm gonna slide y'all to my spot. The Grilly Grilled Cheese spot. All right, we pulling up on her. We pulling up on her. Wait till y'all get in here and y'all see this menu of grilled cheese spots. If you think you got a grilled cheese spot that can compete with mine, you are wrong. The fact that you even would think about something or say something like that is upsetting me and my homeboys. Even though ain't nobody in the car. Here you go right here, yo. Grilled cheese, New York grilled cheese. There you go right there. I don't even know I'm gonna be able to fit in there because how these people park. They parked all wrong. I'm gonna back that thing up right here though. Back her in. Back her in. Shout out to Papa John's piece. Who got the best piece? Y'all can comment that in the comment section too. Let's get in here. I want to let y'all check this thing out. I got my wallet on me. Hold up. There she goes. You know you love it when you're walking away and then you look back at her. I had to step outside for filming purposes. They was playing music in there. But check it out. The Manhattan Grill Mac and Cheese. Broadway classic. Town Square Pizza Melt. Look at the options, bro. Meat Packing District joint. MPD. 5th Avenue. Buffalo Blue. The Soho Sweet Cheese. Wall Street Grinder. Midtown Truffle Shuffle. Village Vegan. Even got something for the Veggie Wiggies. And then they got the Brooklyn, I almost said porn star. Porkster. Damn. I gotta eat, man. I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed another video. This is my spot. Don't come over here like you found it. I found it.